morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to today's vlog, and very special. And guys, it's a bright morning over here. As you can see, man, the sky is limit. The sky is blue in color. Wherever you are, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It shall depend the time where you are watching today's videos. Very special. Get the notification and then watch the videos until the end. So today I thank God for the gift of life, man. So every day, every single minute, I want to say, God, thank you for this life, man. And I'm just over here. So today's work is to create a base. Actually, we dig the foundation and then to store the tank. So big shout out to you, mom. May God bless you. And also, guys, if you're willing to support on me, maybe in terms of tiling my my toilet over there, I can do so. But right now, today's work is to see how to create a base and then to install water. So right now we are heading the month of October, which we have a lot of rain up to December. And by now, today I have the mason at home and also the plumber. So we see how work will be going on, and the plumber must be there. So in case of the error, they must say, oh, this must be done this way and this way, so in order I can harvest water, man. So for me, I'm so grateful to be born and raised within this small village here. So technically right now I want to take you around, and then I'm supposed to be at home there to see how work was being done. Man, you can see, oh, I'm outside, and after this guy I'm going to purchase the cement, 3 bags of them, and then I brought the gutters, pipe and all stuff. And actually today I've already came with my plumber, and then I went to the hardware, to his hardware. I picked everything that I needed, and then I drove back home, man. Oh, I'm so grateful. What about you? And I'm so happy, guys. What about you? Today's videos, it's a big surprise by itself. And if you know, you know, guys. Watch my videos until the end. Wow, let's go. So actually this is my neighbor's forest. We try to pass here most of the time, you know, to breathe fresh air. Like, oh wow. So I take you around. For me, I feel better to be inside on these trees. Look how it's like, oh, that view, man. Wow. So today we have a lot of sunny, guys, here, and it's a moderate day, not hot, not cold. It's medium always. And guys, honestly, I need your support. Your support are very helpful to my family, and I can't take for granted. And I take things seriously, you know. If you support me maybe in tiling, I appreciate. And you can do so, guys. I know for the haters they don't like, but for me, I mind my own things, man. And just believe on me. If you support me, do this. Like, hello baby, I support you. Cut these trees, make timber. I'll buy, I'll cut, making timber, like that. And the good thing about me, if you send me something and told me, hello baby, do this, I make a videos, you see things which you have planned, and then I purchase or I made it, and then you see there. So me, I'm not the guy who, oh, blah blah blah. I don't like oh, ABCD. For me, I'm not on that kind of a group. I don't like, because you supporting me, I support my family. You supporting me, I support each other. So like that way. So let's go and see the process of digging the foundation, and also they arrange the hardcore. And I thank God right now I have material on the ground. I have the stones, or the hardcore stones, you know, right now. And my bike or my motorbike, it's helped me a lot. Monkey, wherever you are, bro, thank you a million. You made it possible. Right now I have my own motorbike I use to transport goods from one place to another. I can't believe one day maybe it could be happening, but it's God's plan, man. God is everything. God is everywhere. You know, I get my own motorbike. I appreciate you for the people who done it possible, and especially Monkey. May God bless you. Oh, this is our cow. They are sleeping here. This is the bull cow, man. Our cow is not aggressive, man. You can touch. Hey, what's up, man? Oh, this is my mom's house, and actually I'm going to install water from my mom's house right now. Oh, I see there's the iron sheet bent. I don't know. I do like this. Yes, that one. When we stand from here, it was bent there. Wow. We have another one. We have another cow here. Hey. You see how my mom, she was working so hard? Imagine, they bought this cow when it's small calf, and then the graze coming bigger, give birth to that one, and then to the next bull. Imagine one cow. So right now she have like 3 of them walk. Alright. I was greeting my grandma. Goko means good morning, grandma. So right now let me take you inside to see work which have been done. Come along with me, guys. Yes. So this is the work for today. And here I will create some boundary because cows are entering inside the house here. I'll put here some boundary. Kajembe ni kadogo. Sikeli ufate nyumbani. Maka tamaliza tu. Kundi, unaonaje msingi wakija kuchimba ya nyumba itaenda chini sana?
Yaani
Up. Maybe.
mimi sienda chini sana.
Sasa unaona sasa hasara hii miti inaleta mizizi kwa nyumba. Utakuja kuikata ing'olewe yote mizizi ikufe. Oh guys, see today's work is this one here. Jamaa wendo mrefu, chunge hapa. Chunge hapa sana. Yeah. So there's some cable here for the solar going to my house. So you want to create a base, actually that's the foundation, and then you put the hardcore on the ground. Si mifuko mitatu ya simiti itatosha? Kindeli niambia hivi. Yeah. So after this, maybe I'll go to purchase the cement from the hardware. We have different hardwares. We have the hardwares for the selling plumber things. We have the hardware which combine both plumber things, materials, cement, steel bar, iron sheet or zinc. And for now, the plumber's things I purchased from one of my plumber's hardware. So I promote him in the other way. So this is the base. Whatever. Okay. I want to give them some spade here. And I thank God I have the wheelbarrow. So I'm supposed to add one spade because this one it's meant for our neighbor, but the new one is mine. So I need to have all materials, all equipment. Whew. Wanasema mnachimba futi mbili na nusu ama futi mbili?
Futi 2.5.
Right, so let me see how my progress I've been doing today. I'm supposed to open all toilets during the daytime. I'm supposed to open them. Oh, taking the kick here. Ona pangi ko hapa. Mama tapahebang. Mama tapahebang. Wow. So guys, I supposed to open the doors for the washroom and also the toilet during the daytime, but for now we're just moving on with some work. Imagine people ask me, hello baby, why do you build the toilet far away from home? Imagine from here to here, man, it's 100-meter path walking, 100 meters. It's less than 100 meters because the toilet is here and my home is here. You see? Here. That's home and this is toilet here. Imagine. So in terms maybe when I was vlogging my videos, you see the toilet is so far. But it's close to my home. So at least you build the toilet maybe some distance. You know what I mean? So I'm supposed to open the doors and all stuff, guys. Imagine this is an entrance because I can use this route or this route, but I'm trying to go around. Let's see. I want to see the toilet which was leaking. Actually, the pipe or the chimney on the rooftop. Let me show you guys. That pipe was passing water inside a washroom, and I'm supposed to see. So I'll use that cement in another way. Oh, it's supposed to open here and see what is going on. So here, it's a small issue, we want to solve it. This one here. So actually this is our washroom, and we shall see how we put something in order. Wow. All is good. Everything's good here. So that being said, guys, if you are touched, guys, and you said, oh hello baby, let me have some part, you can maybe say, hello baby, one washroom is mine, fix the tiles. You can support on that. But for now, that being said, right now I have 5 boxes of tiles on the hardware. So I need like 30 box. Let me say here it can go 15 boxes. Here's 15. That is 30. Let me say when I have like 30 boxes, I shall finish. You know. So this toilet is so big, man, and this project is so big. Actually, this is our washroom. So we make the washroom to be look wide or bigger than toilet, because this one you can take maybe bathing inside. Oh, bathing inside and all stuff, man. And actually, this is where water can run, going like this one here. And this lid will make sure that it's removable. This one here. Wow. When I finish up, I will make some cleanness. You know, I have a lot of work to do. Painting the doors, painting some places that I needed to paint. Wow, so let's see. This is our toilet. This is my toilet here. So it's supposed to open with different keys inside here. Oh. Okay, so I'm struggling to open here. All right, it's okay. So that is it, and let's see. So these trees in the future are supposed to cut all down trees, because it's not good to the house or near to the house. Because right now, as I said here, when they dig the foundation for the base of the tank, I see some many roots, many roots. Look. So what about on my project? I was supposed to cut these trees. I'll cut and then put down. I'll cut and then put down. And maybe I shall see. So that's my project upcoming. And I'm so grateful, man. I've already made it. And I thank God for this far. So right now, guys, I'm heading to Bohansi. I want to purchase some cement. Wow. So, so this is my baby. My baby is outside, and it's so that, man. I'll take them to the car wash today, maybe. Look, this is the cock here. Yeah, I wonder, even the chicken are grazing grass. This is my real life. Even my mama wonder, guys, the roots enter here. Yote.
Umanyata kora wakengiro kuwasiri kukomera huyu.
Nikagentanya chache kuhile. Unaona hata hii. Sikaji itakuwa inakatwa yote hadi hizo vitu zinang'olewa chini.
Nimesanga sana.
Alright, so I'm going to purchase some 3 bags of cement, and I think it's kind enough for the work for today. That's my mother want to make the cows. Well, guys, so I came to check my plumber, and also I have the mason there, so they can put this is the cow. They can put a mind together. So how to fix the tank, and also the plumber must be there. So just arrived here. That's my motorbike, man. That's my motorbike, man. That's my plumber here. So guys, we're heading home, guys. Oh guys, so right now we are heading back home with my plumber there. So right now my motorbike here. Hey guys, subscribe to my channel. That's my plumber, and also I left the person at home, man.
Not to subscribe, but even to watch. And
Yes,
watch and
I know.
see, and also run something good there.
Just a minute. Oh guys. Just a minute. Okay, it's the cow. And also guys, remember to watch my videos till the end. Subscribe guys.
And also comment.
And also comment. I'm outside guys. To chase my dream, man. You know? Like, so I'm changing the gear guys. Woo! So today guys, I'm installing a preparation of the tank. I want to install guys. So I'm around at home right now. Hey. Wow. After this guys, I'm going to check also to purchase the cement guys. Okay, so let's see. I wake up early in the morning guys. Try to imagine. Itakura hadi pale kwa nyumba.
Wapi?
Kule.
Linafika hapo. Linafika hapo.
Tuingora kwanza. Moraipo. Good morning. Welcome.
Haya, tanki ndo hii tata.
Shabu nakuja sana. Ungebana kidogo kwenye ukuta.
Taaribu hiyo ni. Maana kuna kama msingi. Si litaenda underground kama futi 1.5.
Futi moja tu. Tunapima hapo kutoka hapo kwenda pale.
Futi 7.
Futi 7. Na hapo kutoka hapo kwenda hapo kwenye bati.
Imezidi nyuma.
Imezidi nyuma.
Futi 7 inazidi nyuma.
Kwa hivyo itaingia futi moja chini.
Futi 7 ndio hii.
Ingia basi futi moja.
So it's around here section. So this is the mark. The center I mean. Ndio nilikuwa nakuulizaje chat. Yale haya maji hatuwezi kutoa hapa, bati ni chafu. Yale unaweza connect pipe chini ya kimbia ingia kwa hii height ya hii.
Haiwezi kaja kwa sababu kama ukiweka chini, ukiweka hapa tenki, alafu urefu wa hii tenki na urefu wa nyumba umelingana. Inaweza kaja, lakini kama ikizidi tu kidogo hayawezi kuja, nitakudana.
Ndio nakwambiaje sasa tunatumia haya.
Ni sawa.
Na haya tufanyeje?
Kama itakuwa sawa atatumia hata.
Haya sasa tufanyeje haya? Achana kwenda hapo. Haya kutoka hapa hivi. Kama ataingia pale sawa.
Sikiliza. Kama unataka yaingie pale, aende chini.
Futi ngapi?
Tupate level ya hii.
Futi ngapi?
Hebu pima hapa fundi wangalie ni futi ngapi hapa. Yaani sasa atuchukue futi, atuchukue urefu wa kule. Tunachukua sasa urefu wa hapa.
Okay.
Yes. Futi 6 hiyo.
Futi 6 ni hiyo.
Futi 6. Sasa maana yake ile iko futi ngapi?
Ile futi 7.
Futi 7, si ndio? Maana yake si tuko sawa. Maji hayataenda. Kwa hivyo aende chini futi 1 na nusu. Tuseme futi weke.
So utatumia haya
na yale
na pipe ikimbie ingie. Ni sawa.
Sikiliza. Nenda futi 2.
Futi 2 na mimi ni
tengi futi 2 chini.
Mbona unaweza anza kazi
ili tukija kujenga ibaki 1.5.
Yes. Au kama ni hivyo sasa wewe weka allowance yako kule chini. Lakini mimi nataka futi 2.
Futi 2 wewe yako hapo.
Yaani futi 2 usiguze kabisa.
Sawa, basi
sasa wewe hata ukivuta futi 10 kwenda chini mimi si.
Acha tuweke hiyo futi 2.5 sisi ili yako hapo tukuachie hiyo futi 2.
Yes, exactly.
So ya kujenge nusu.
Nusu Silikuweka mawe pale alafu
ni mawe tu alafu na koto.
Alafu
na kamsingi.
Yes guys, so we try to organize how the water can be running here and then use the pipe. Unaona ni marriage pipe. Usijali, pesa nitakupa. Tulifanya quotation maybe era.
Haina shida. Mimi sina shida.
Aya.
Mama. Iya, Ma.
Lazima mpana. Hapo unajua haiendi mbaya rafiki yangu. Hii unaweza kutoa. Futi 2.5 hii inaweza within 30 seconds nikiwa mimi mwenyewe hapa 30 seconds. Unanijua?
Acha kuongea wewe.
Well guys, so I'm going to purchase the cement and later I'll come to pick the materials inside here. So this is my plumber and also this is the working place. They have all stuff that are needed here. Inside here. Inside here. Tacho ndaye.
Mgeni wangu atakuja hapa. Mwambie aje
Ne.
sasa ule nani mkuchara bageni baada ikaacha hapa rudi.
Na ile kitu ya kufunga maji usiju sahau. Si tap. So guys, I'm heading to pick the cement. So this is Nyabohan. So I'm heading to the hardware right now. Right now. Hey. Well guys, so I'm just around at Nyabohansi village. So this is Nyabohansi. Actually it's a small center. And I want to see how I could deliver the cement from here. And actually today I'm using my bike. Today I want to cross to other side. So I'm just over here. And I'm going to purchase the cement right now. 3 bags of cement and once goes to 950 shillings. You know, so this is how our village looks like, guys. Wow, it's super amazing. Super amazing. It's the view. And that is the tarmac road. Hey, look at the tarmac road. Just over here, and I need to purchase the cement guys on this hardware here. Maboso. Oh, deno. Tarati miskuerenga. Tato. Nenda ke pohe kon. Yeah. So I need to open this stuff. And also I'll take it back. Stay. So today I'm using this to transport my cement. Biscuit. Hey, Simityong. Can I kick or nani? Wow. Hey, this cement here written Simba cement. Can you make on a king? Can you make So I want to put this and then Whew. And then I'll make payment later. So I want to arrange here the cement to lay down. Whew. Alright guys, so this one bag and once goes to 950 shillings, and also we need 3 of them. It's 50 kg. Let me show you. It's 50 kg. Maybe we shall see on the other side. That is 2. Oh. And I get one. That is 2. You see guys, it's 50 kg. Oh, 1 more to go. And then I'll make the payment and then oh. One more to go. One more. Yes. That's 1, 2, and then that's 3. That's 3 guys. Okay, so it's time to tighten them and then I make the payment. This is the bag of cement. 1, 2, 3. So I've already reached back home, and after this I want to see the progress of the foundation for the base of the tank, and then I'll go to the plumber's hardware to take the materials that are needed and all stuff, and then I delivered back home. So maybe today's on Wednesday, on Thursday, maybe on Saturday or Sunday or Monday they wanna start installing the pipe, or even tomorrow. So it depends the base. So let's see. Okay, so that's the foundation. You see, that's the base. Stop, help. Hey. Pindisha kuna nini hapana hapa. Pindisha shindo. Wow guys, so I came on this hardware here to collect some stuff that are needed. Pipe, also the plumber would, by installing, they will come with this one here, and also this one, it's gonna remain here, one of them, and also this one here, it's gonna be remaining here. Let's see, this one, and also the one here. So I'm going with few of them, and then tomorrow I'll come for the next stuff. So inside here we have much of them inside here, and also have another one here. So I'm supposed to put, and I came, I found my plumber arranged for me the stuff. Wow. So you see this one, supposed to pack them, and so guys, for now I went with quite number of the materials or instruments for the plumbing, and I have the receipt down, so when my plumber came, I'll mark the stuff which that are available and which are not available. The following day we came for it, guys, and also the pipe just over here. So this is the pipe and gutters. These 4 gutters here. This 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4. Oh, the pipe are inside here. Okay, come along with me. The pipe are inside here, and also this one here. Kombuya. Yes. So I want to take this one, and then I left. I go back home, and guys, imagine I couldn't show you how I was riding with the materials here, and also we have another one here. So I just reached at home, but I'm almost, my home is over there. That white zinc that you see, that's my home. So I'm just over here, and the pipe was going like, oh man. So these 4 gutters, guys, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the rest small material which are remaining there, or instrument, we'll cut them tomorrow with my plumber. So I have the receipt down, so I would show me this one. You said it's 2 or 3 or 1 or 5, and then I mark. But right now my plumber put something randomly, he was rushing to somewhere else. So by tomorrow when he came, I will mark the receipt. You give me this one, I mark. This one, show me, I mark. Show me this one, I mark. And then the rest I shall finish up, guys. So this is the safe journey, guys. You see at the back there. So Monkia, thank you so much. Even right now I didn't have the money to deliver my materials like cement, this stuff. But for your support to give to purchase for me a motorbike like this one here, I appreciate. Although it's a second hand, but it helped me a lot. Without a motorbike, I could be nothing else. But when I have this one, it's cheap to deliver everything. And may God bless you, Monkey, wherever you are. Big shout out to you, bro. Thank you a million. Guys, so this is home, and for now, because this stuff is disturbing me, and let me untightening from here to home, guys. Right now I see my African mom from there. So let me tightening them. And actually, that being said, this 4 pipe, you see 1 2 3 4, and then when I put it down, I'll show you. Or else when my plumber install the gathers, we will see. Wow. So I want to untightening. So it's not tightening, untightening the stuff. So first thing, let me take the key. When I left my motorbike here, nobody can run with with my stuff. You know what I mean? So for now, I'm waiting my mom to cut this. Oh, woo! Guys, thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you a million. May God bless you. And also, mom, thank you a million. May God bless you abundantly, guys. You know, you're the one who mom feel pain with my mom here. So she was fetching water all over, almost let me say almost 23 years or 25 years fetching water from the river. But right now, you made it possible. Mom, may God bless you, and the rest, may God also bless you. Mama, take this. Take that one inside. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello to your friend.
Hello to your my friend.
Yes, so that mom, my mom, she was greeting you, mom. So she feel better right now. Very happy. You can see even the face, guys, smiling. And also, they're going to prepare the breakfast for Mason who are working inside there. So as long as you work for me at my home here, you must eat breakfast, lunch, and then at the end of the day, I will pay you money. So there's no maybe wasting of time moving from my home, going to Nyabohansi, some Kibanda Scale Hotel to look up some food. So we try to avoid that distance. So at least my mom, they give Mason foods, breakfast, lunchtime, and then they can have energy to do some work, guys. Wow. So stay tuned as I take this inside. Oh, guys. So by now, I'm taking the stuff inside the house. Woo. Guys, to be honest, I work so hard. I don't know why haters blame me. I don't know why. Ooh. Oh. Well, guys, so I'm just over around at my home. I had the cock, the hen, cook. So guys, this is the work. You see, guys, so you have already created the stuff here. So mawe yamemezwa sana. Hapo nimeweka tu mguu. Yeah. So Si ndio hiki kijiti, achana tu kutoa. Si utaweka tu hapo kama ni hapo ilikuwa. So that's the best we create. And I think maybe by tomorrow morning we put the tank. Ama mpaka nini itakauka tena? Simiti.
Ndio.
Si ukiweka leo niro, kesho tanki wataweka, ama italeta effect?
Si asubuhi unaweka by saa 4.
Saa 8 huko hata saa 4.
Wakati wamemwaga maji.
Si lazima kumwagiwa maji vute kwanza.
Sasa wakati wa ufundi atakuwa na hizo mapaipu zake.
Sawa.
Hapo itakuwa iko sawa.
Okay. Si mlisema ile mawe inatoka?
Ile tunatoka. Hapa hivi iko chini. So ile ikitoka hapa si inaweza ingia. Hebu toa yenye kwenye hapo hivi.
Ni kama. Hiyo.
Hilo labda sasa ulitengeneze nafasi. Uliweke katikati.
Leta flat mbili. Hapo.
Geri, nje hiyo. Tusikia make.
Isonge kuja hapa. Sasa. So acha nitosongeze hivi. Nini iko juu ama iko sawa hapa?
Well guys, so let me check the progress for today. And man, we work since morning up to now, so they try to create a balance. All the concrete, so the balance stone, sand, and also have one bag of cement. So they have already used one bag, so that's the second one, and this is the water. And I suppose to direct the pipe there, and then I'll put here the tap. I'll press the tap because to avoid the congested there, so the water will be coming this way and the tap will be here. And then if you want to fetch water from here, you want to fetch from here, so the tank will be there. So that is my work. Kiona leo mmesema mweke mbili. Umekuja right on time.
Habari za kazi.
Nzuri. So that's my mason here. So don't take the rock.
Kazi iharibike. Ukisikia watu ponyoka. Hawezi. Na niweza.
Njoo.
Mama.
Kamsingi utakabilia kadogo sana. Kanako ukuja kulingana na hiyo kadogo tu. Sawa?
Mama. Mama. Ukula zangu.
Katembee tu kadogo.
Sawa.
Kwa sababu tukichukua sita yetu. Hapo zimetoka futi moja. Sita yetu ni hii. Hapo ni bado kiasi gani? Futi haikubali. Kwa hiyo itabidi tuweke kidogo hapa. Futi sita ni hii. Ndio tena. Sasa inabidi huku jenga msingi ka inchi 6 na kule inchi 6. Ipotee futi moja. Ikipotea futi moja itakuwa imebaki futi 6 na inchi 6 ndani kwa ndani. Kwa kadogo tu. Piga kakubwa, piga likubwa linakuja linabana kuingia, inaanza kuchanganyikiwa. Hapo kwa inchi 6 utapiga plasta yako. Kumbe ulijenga msingi huko?
Utoke swali ucheze nje hata usijue nani upigwa na mawe. Wow guys, so this is the bag of cement that is remaining here, and my sister, she was around eating chapati. Say hello.
Sambusa.
They are eating sambosa. Guys, if you don't know sambosa, it's the mixture of flour and also some soya beans. And then you get sambosa. Right. I see the stones from my mom's dream house. It's running crazy. Hey, go. It's running crazy. And man, if you wish to support maybe in terms of materials, man, look, no hopes by now. The stones moving on. Look. So it's reduced. Look here, right? And also the balance stones to moving on like crazy. But I thank God, it's helped me maybe like building. That being said, building it can't end. You finish this won't happen. Like for now, maybe when I'm start building the base for the tank, I can go and purchase stones, purchase balance stones, but for now use that one. And also because we had the month of we are on the season of rain, so right now I'm supposed to save these bricks from here. I'm supposed to save them from here. This one from here, right there. And I need them to use in other way. Wow. So for me, I done a huge progress. So because today my professional mason, he was working on other side, and at the same time he take the chance to run and to run and see what is going on. You know, like yesterday I told my mason that we're supposed to be around and build for me the base. He told me, oh, I have some work to do. So I look friend of mine, he also a mason, but I came to supervise the work. So that's the reason why in the morning you see him around. He make the measurement. He brought the information. Oh, you do this, you do this, and then later on he came at noon time. He came and found other mason. He made some small mistake, and then he tried to correct it. So that is it. Wow, 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 wow. Everywhere it's green, man. Look, that's the maze. And we're just over here going around to my village. Wow. But the big aim that I have is to build my mom's dream house. So if I get I get enough materials through your support, guys, I could finish up. Wow. So for me, I'm done my part. There's our cow. That is my grandma's house. Wow. And this way I can build my mom's dream house, and also I put the tank on right position, because if I build the house here, I can use that water. I can harvest water around the house and then go to the tank. That is it. You know, you must be very accurate on calculation. So this is my motorbike for my mason over here, and today I will fill him. I'll put him some gas on the motorbike, maybe for half USD, because he take a time from home up to here. So I want to end my video inside on these trees, because the rest of the part it's sunny. Woo! It is sunny. The rest of the part that I was walking, it's sunny. Wow, guys. So I'm back. So this is where I normally chill and see my work, how it's go, and I wanna end maybe my day like that. So it's so late, but these videos maybe it's gonna play around 10 p.m. nice time. That's my local time. Wow. See that view? Look there. Oh. And I feel so hungry, like goat, man. So since morning I was working, no time for taking breakfast, no time for eating lunch, but I'll try to make a good decision on my family and all stuff, guys. So let's move on. Whew. I thank God I complete the toilet. From the far end, it's coming like crazy. But when I get money, maybe when I get money, I'll put tiles. And guys, these things I said several times. Please, guys, I need your help by putting tiles on my toilet. For me, I just say the truth, and the truth will help me. So because I just avoid too much of the sunny, and I'm going this way. Wow. Wow. There's African land. My sister, she was playing here. I was in Chafule Kofia. She was playing here. African kid playing here. Hey. Wow. So guys, I'm back. I don't know why nowadays my camera it show up maybe some bad quote. I don't know, maybe it's setting, but I don't know. So that is it. Maybe I'll stand here. Okay, I hope guys you see me right now clear. So every single minute I show you my project here, and guys, I'm saying I need your help on tiles. If maybe you want have some partition, one can say, oh hello baby, I want to put you tiles, both washroom and toilet. If it's my mom's, and other can say, hello baby, I want to put you tiles on the porch, inside of the porch. And also for me, the money that I have, I can top on top. Maybe something small that I have, I can top up on top, guys, right there. And it's not fun I'm saying this, because I see on the comment section people say, hello baby, why do you put the toilet far away from your home? Please guy, it's not far from here. That's the toilet, and that's my home. Imagine here, there. It's not a walking distance, you know, it's not a walking distance. But maybe in terms of vlogging, the camera might take things to see it's far away, but it's near here and there. If you don't believe by your eyes, if you don't believe on videos, just visit one of these days at my home. You see where the toilets have been located. It's not far away. Look here and there. For me, I'm so grateful, and I want to say thank you to my supporters who done and who made it possible. My God bless you. I really appreciate all the work that you've done for me, and I'm just over here. I'm just over here to support my family in another way, because my mom, she was struggling almost 25 years fetching water from the river, and by now, by God's grace, I get supporters from you guys, from courtesy of our subscribers, made it possible. I can't pretend, oh, I'm the one who bought this and this. To be honest, it's one of our subscriber who made it possible. And for me, my work is to done. My work is to appreciate. My work is to do things that I'm supposed to do. If you say, hello baby, do this, I wanna do right now. Hello baby, cut these trees and making timber. I'll cut, man, and make timber, which maybe I supposed to do. Like the toilet, 100%. One maybe support on iron sheet and doors, one support on ceiling board, one support on steel bar, on stones, everything. And on that ishakuwa sawa.
Iko sawa sana.
Sio basi.
Ngoja wamalizie tu walikoroge ndio waanze kujenga kale kama msingi.
Sasa basi nimalize niende boda.
Sawa.
Ukirudi mara ya pili utanipata hapa.
Jioni sana mimi.
Wewe usijali. So that is my mason, and he was the one who constructed that toilet from scratch up to where there is, but except ceiling board. But everything, setting, plastering, what and whatever, he was the one who made it. That's the reason why I love his work. And if he would not done my job like inside there, I feel like, oh, it's crazy, man. But let's give each other some work. So I was on the topic of on my project there. I wanna call multi-million project. Oh man, I'm so crazy on that. It's multi-million project because I build from there. And Evo, let me show you my local toilet, guys. Let me show you my local toilet, my local washroom. Imagine right now we have more than one. And I was born and raised within this humble family, and I get things the way they are, and I supposed to use it. Whoa, look at this. So in fact, even right now, I want to take shower or to bathe inside here. And for me, this is where I'm born and raised, and I found these things the way they are. Actually, in terms of bathroom, we use this one. We arrange stones, we put 4 posts, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we put the polythene paper. So the crazy thing about in our village here, like, you can't put here some curtain. So when people realize that you are going to taking shower, they give you respect until when you get out of the bath or the washroom. I mean, this one here. Even right now, guys, I'm going to fetch water and I put here. I'll take shower and then I see the next thing. So maybe tomorrow I will maybe done with the work of plumbing, actually installation of the gutters. So be on that maybe step, because I came with some equipment for the plumber, but the rest remaining inside there because he was rushing somewhere else. So I was saying earlier, so he picked something randomly which that are needed, and then maybe tomorrow I'll go with our receipts that I list down the equipment for the plumbing, and then I'll told one by one, if you give me this one, mark, I want to see mark, like that way, because here no jokes. So this is how real life our village looks like, and this is how we fence the garden. So guys, I want to end my video here by saying, guys, thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly, guys. Oh, this flower is covering me on the eyes. All right, so guys, for me, I love you 100% for your work that you've done. I came from humble family, man. Through your support, I stand strong up to nowadays. I just help my family. I just help my entire family. So guys, stay tuned. When I finish my multi-million project, you see how my family launched that wash on whatever, and there's some lights I'm supposed to put inside when the toilet is completed. So during the day, the small solar will be charged and some light. So during the night, it will light pop. I don't want maybe when going during night when I'm going to the toilet, I say, oh, where's the torch? Oh, this I don't like. But I need, at least now I spend a lot of time on the modern toilet. By now you see by yourself on camera and say, oh, wow. In fact, I'm a good son from my mother or from my fathers. So I'm a good son. But for the haters, start to blame on me and say, oh, this blagging things. Man, at least for me, I made things which I see, rather than say, oh, 1, 2, 3. So to cut stories short, guys, stay blessed. And if you find these videos, watch until the end, subscribe, comment, and also, guys, share my videos to your family. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. Nowadays I will be called Man Official. I'm not Hello Baby, but this is my brand name. And guys, bye bye.